On September 5, 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, a mission destined to become one of humanity's most ambitious explorations. Paired with its twin, Voyager 2, this spacecraft embarked on a mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. What no one anticipated was that Voyager 1 would continue its journey into the vast unknown, far surpassing initial expectations. With advanced technology for its era, Voyager 1 quickly became a trailblazer, offering unprecedented insights into the gas giants and their moons. However, its most remarkable achievements were yet to unfold as it traveled beyond our solar system's boundaries. Voyager 1 was originally designed for a mission that was supposed to last only 5 years. Yet, more than 4 decades later, it continues to send data from a distance of over 14 million miles, the farthest any human-made object has ever traveled. In 2012, Voyager 1 marked a historic milestone by crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence wanes and interstellar space begins. It became the first man-made probe to venture into interstellar space, entering a region where no spacecraft had ever gone before. Renowned physicist Michio Kaku has long been an advocate of the Voyager missions. Recently, he disclosed an astonishing discovery that left him awestruck. According to Kaku, Voyager 1 has revealed anomalies that challenge our current understanding of the universe. The data transmitted by Voyager 1 has shown irregularities that do not fit with existing physics models. These findings could potentially rewrite our knowledge of interstellar space and the forces that shape it. Among the most puzzling discoveries are the strange signals Voyager 1 has sent back. These signals exhibit patterns that do not align with what we know about cosmic microwave radiation or plasma waves. Could these be signs of a new phenomenon? Or is there something else entirely at play? While some researchers suggest that these signals could be the result of interactions with interstellar particles, others are exploring more extraordinary possibilities, such as the presence of unknown cosmic structures operating in interstellar space. The challenge of operating in such a harsh environment cannot be understated. Voyager 1 faces extreme radiation, temperatures near absolute zero, and distances so vast that communication becomes an enormous challenge. To maintain its operation, NASA has had to power down non-essential systems in order to conserve the limited energy supply. Despite these challenges, Voyager 1 continues to send back invaluable data, a testament to the durability of its 1970s-era technology. Over the years, Voyager 1 has reshaped our understanding of the solar system. From the active volcanoes of Io to the icy surface of Europa, its discoveries have sparked new questions and inspired future missions like Europa Clipper and Titan Dragonfly. Beyond its scientific achievements, Voyager 1 carries the golden record, a message from humanity intended to last for billions of years. It serves as a symbol of our desire to connect with the cosmos, no matter how immense the distance. One of Voyager 1's most iconic contributions is its ability to listen to the cosmos through its plasma wave instrument. The spacecraft has captured eerie, otherworldly sounds that reveal the interaction between interstellar plasma and the spacecraft itself. These recordings, often referred to as the sounds of interstellar space, give us a haunting glimpse into the cosmic void. Recently, however, scientists have noticed anomalies in these signals, patterns that appear to be structured, as though they are more than mere random noise. Voyager 1's journey has revealed that interstellar space is far from an empty void, as was once assumed. The spacecraft has detected magnetic fields, interstellar plasma, and even ripples caused by distant supernovae. One of the most surprising discoveries is how interstellar space interacts with our solar system. The data suggests that the heliopause, the boundary Voyager crossed in 2012, is not a fixed point. It shifts and flexes, influenced by both the sun's activity and external forces from interstellar space. Some researchers speculate that the anomalies Voyager 1 has detected may be linked to one of modern physics' greatest mysteries: dark matter. This elusive substance, which makes up around 27% of the universe, has never been directly observed, yet its gravitational effects shape galaxies and cosmic structures. If Voyager 1 has encountered phenomena related to dark matter, it could provide a breakthrough in understanding this invisible force that governs much of the universe. Another theory gaining traction is the possibility that Voyager 1 has encountered signals or structures created by advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. While this idea might seem far-fetched, it is not entirely beyond the realm of possibility. Some researchers propose that, if such civilizations exist, they might use interstellar regions as communication corridors or places for exploration. Could Voyager 1 be passing through one of these regions, inadvertently picking up signals meant for others? Michio Kaku has expressed both awe and concern over Voyager 1's discoveries. While he celebrates the spacecraft's contributions to science, he also cautions about the risks of exploring unknown territories. Voyager 1's findings have opened the door to a new era of interstellar exploration. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, aimed at sending miniature probes to nearby star systems at a fraction of the speed of light, will build on Voyager's legacy. These future missions seek to answer the profound questions raised by Voyager 1 about interstellar space, the potential for life beyond Earth, and the limits of human exploration. Voyager 1's journey is more than just a technological marvel. It represents humanity's unyielding curiosity and drive to explore the unknown. For 45 years, this small spacecraft has ventured further than any human-made object before it, unveiling secrets about the universe that were once unimaginable. From the outer planets to the edge of the solar system and beyond, Voyager 1 has redefined our understanding of the cosmos. Its recent discoveries, mysterious signals, interstellar ripples, and anomalies that defy explanation, remind us of how much there is still to learn. And as Voyager 1 carries the golden record deeper into interstellar space, it serves as a beacon, a reminder of who we are, where we've been, and our eternal quest to reach beyond the horizon. One day, Voyager 1 may fall silent, but its legacy will live on. It has laid the foundation for a new generation of explorers, inspiring us to continue seeking answers in the vast, mysterious universe around us. What do you think about Voyager 1's incredible discoveries? Could they reveal something even more profound about the universe? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories about space, science, and the mysteries of the cosmos. As Voyager 1 presses further into the cosmos, it reminds us of how little we know about the universe. Its journey across the vastness of space not only reveals more about our own solar system, but also forces us to confront the vast unknowns that lie beyond it. The spacecraft's data has already provided a glimpse into a universe that is far more complex than we ever imagined, where anomalies and unexpected phenomena challenge the limits of current scientific understanding. As Voyager 1 moves further from Earth, its discoveries prompt us to reconsider our place in the universe. Could there be other civilizations out there, sending their own signals or exploring the stars as we are? The possibility of encountering other intelligent life, or at least discovering evidence of their existence, grows more intriguing with each new transmission Voyager 1 sends back. The thought that Voyager 1 might be picking up transmissions or structures from civilizations vastly more advanced than our own raises the stakes of its mission. Many scientists believe that Voyager 1's discoveries are just the beginning. Its current trajectory, as well as its ability to continue transmitting data for many more years, provides hope that we may uncover even more about the nature of space and time. The spacecraft has already delivered unprecedented data about the composition and behavior of interstellar plasma, magnetic fields, and the broader environment of interstellar space. This data, combined with its discoveries about the heliopause and other features of our solar system's boundary, may eventually change the way we think about the forces shaping the universe. Voyager 1's journey also underscores the importance of long-term thinking in space exploration. Initially designed for a mission that would last only 5 years, it has surpassed expectations by sending data for more than 4 decades. This persistence shows the incredible engineering behind the spacecraft, and how the durability of its design and its technology from the 1970s continue to serve humanity's quest for knowledge. The fact that it has remained operational for so long in such a hostile environment is a triumph of human ingenuity. The spacecraft's endurance not only speaks to its technological marvel but also to the vision that NASA had when it embarked on this mission. Voyager 1's longevity provides vital lessons in the importance of planning for the long term when it comes to space exploration. It also highlights the significance of curiosity-driven research and the desire to explore the unknown, regardless of how unlikely success may seem. Additionally, the golden record carried by Voyager 1 remains a monumental symbol of humanity's reach for the stars. This golden-plated disk contains sounds, images, and messages designed to represent life on Earth, created to communicate our existence to any extraterrestrial beings who might one day discover it. Its presence aboard the spacecraft is not just a scientific tool, but also a testament to our desire to make a lasting mark on the universe. It reminds us that, despite the vast distances that separate us from the rest of the cosmos, we are still connected to the stars. Through Voyager 1's journey, we've learned that space is not a void, as once thought, but a dynamic and complex environment filled with mysteries. The spacecraft has brought us closer to understanding how the universe functions, revealing the subtle interactions between the solar system and the interstellar medium. It has shown us that there is much more to explore beyond our own planet and our solar system, and we are just scratching the surface. As new missions are planned, inspired by the data that Voyager 1 continues to send, humanity's desire to explore will only intensify. New technologies, such as the development of faster spacecraft and the possibility of exploring distant star systems, could open up whole new frontiers in space exploration. What Voyager 1 has started, shedding light on interstellar space and the boundaries of the solar system, will undoubtedly lay the groundwork for even more ambitious projects in the future. In the coming years, as we develop new methods of space exploration and search for signs of life beyond Earth, the lessons learned from Voyager 1's journey will serve as a guide. The spacecraft has not only expanded our scientific knowledge, but also inspired us to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. It represents a bold step forward in our collective quest to understand the universe and our place in it. Ultimately, Voyager 1's mission is a reminder of the enduring human spirit. It exemplifies our willingness to seek knowledge, to explore the unknown, and to venture beyond the limits of what we thought was possible. Even as it moves farther from Earth, its legacy will continue to inspire future generations to look to the stars, to question the universe's mysteries, and to forge new paths in space exploration. The discoveries it has made so far have already reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, and its future revelations may hold even greater significance. So, as we look to the future, we find ourselves asking, what will Voyager 1 discover next? And more importantly, what new questions will arise from those discoveries? With each new piece of data it sends back, Voyager 1 continues to reveal the vast complexity of the universe, urging us to keep searching, keep exploring, and keep learning. Voyager 1's journey is not just a technological feat. It is a story of human curiosity, perseverance, and the unyielding desire to understand the mysteries of the cosmos. As it travels deeper into the unknown, it continues to carry the hopes and dreams of humanity with it, serving as a symbol of our eternal quest for knowledge and discovery. The spacecraft may one day fall silent, but its contributions will remain an integral part of the ongoing exploration of space, inspiring generations of explorers to come. Voyager 1's journey is a testament to the resilience of human innovation and determination. Over the decades, as it journeyed through space, it not only carried out its original mission, but also served as a window into the unknown, revealing truths about the universe that were once beyond our imagination. It has acted as both a pioneer and a messenger, uncovering new insights that will shape future generations of space exploration. As Voyager 1 ventures deeper into the cosmos, its discoveries become more significant, not just for scientists but for humanity as a whole. Each signal, each piece of data, unlocks new mysteries about the environment of space that surrounds us. The spacecraft's continued operation proves how much we have yet to understand about the space that lies beyond our solar system. While its technology is decades old, its contributions remain invaluable, offering a glimpse into the farthest reaches of the cosmos.